It's not a scam.
No, it's not. It's called clickbait. We got you to click on the vid. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Tie and Gig Build. We needed to bring you back the inside scoop on Helium. Builds. It's not a scam. I don't know what they're telling you, but it's not a scam here. But what we do have are some updates. A while back, around in January, we got our miners. We have one in Belmar by the Jersey Shore. We have one in Philadelphia. When we did first get these, I had around 20 to 30 a day in the Philly one, maybe around 15 a day for the Belmar one. Those have diminished now. About a month ago or so, we were getting 10 in Philly, maybe 5 or 6 in Belmar. Belmar is down to now getting around 1 a day, and we're getting around 2 to 3 a day in Philadelphia. So drastic drop. I'm gonna go over some of the factors that cause these changes and what might happen going forward. Okay guys, so pretty drastic drop in our Helium rewards. A couple things that caused this is that there was around 17,000 or so miners when we first got ours set up. There's up over 50,000 now. So there's almost 4 times as many miners out there now as when we first started. Obviously, some of those are sucking in the rewards and dulling down how much we get. There likely will be 150, maybe even 200,000 Helium miners out there by the end of the year. So you will be competing for rewards a lot more than we were when we first started. Another thing you're gonna wanna look out for moving forward are validator nodes. These are basically larger nodes that are gonna validate the transactions through Helium, and they're going to probably suck in a large amount of the rewards due to how much computing they're doing and how many transactions they're confirming. So when these get implemented, there could be a possibility that it does diminish rewards for your average Helium user. Another thing you're gonna wanna look out for is Helium implementing a use with the 5G network. So moving forward, there may be some miners that use the 5G frequency. Those are probably gonna take some rewards as well. We're not sure exactly how this is gonna be implemented, but if they do continue to use 5G more and more moving forward, it could also diminish rewards as well. Don't worry guys, there's more. There's more bad news.
I thought you said it wasn't a scam.
Another thing you're gonna wanna look out for is in August, they are gonna do the mass halving of the rewards. So about every 2 years, they have the rewards that are being mined via the miners. So in August, with the halving, the rewards will be cut in half. So, if we're getting 2 Helium a day, then it'll obviously be halved into 1. So please just do your research. We're totally not sure how this is gonna go. We didn't expect the rewards to be dropped this dramatically, but that's how crypto goes, guys. That's how crypto goes. So to wrap this up, is it worth it for you to order a miner now, or maybe you have a miner on the way and you're wondering if this is even worth it anymore? There's a couple things that you wanna take into consideration. Now the miners aren't super expensive. So if you are planning to be here long term and you are willing to hold on to some of your Helium long term, it's probably a good enough investment. I have a few more miners on the way, and I plan to hang on to those and plan to use them moving forward. If you wanted to take another route, you could try to sell those miners back on eBay, and you'll probably make a good profit. They're going for $4,000 or $5,000 now on eBay. You can order them off the site for $300 or $400, and if you have some on the way already, you're already ahead of the game. So that is also something you could do if you didn't want to go down the mining route. And then also long term, Helium has a lot of potential for the price of the coin to go up. So even if you are only making 1 Helium a day, or even a little bit less, the price of the coin could potentially go much higher. This is just speculation, but with crypto and with all the potential moving forward, this could be very profitable later down the road. Boom, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen, update on the Helium mining. Don't forget to subscribe if you want updates moving forward. Check us out on Instagram. And next week, guys,
LEDs?
We're bringing out the LEDs on the builds.
Get it right. Like, right there.
Like right there.